So hello guys, good evening. I hope you all are doing really fine. Well, I'm doing really fine as well. So today in this video we are going to learn how do we pick a topic of our interest and follow users on Clubhouse. So to do that, firstly open your Clubhouse. To do this you have to be logged in into the Clubhouse account. So pick the topic of your interest, like I'll go for anime. And here you can see anime has 12.4k followers, and we can join any rooms here related to anime. So to know and get more update about anime, just click on follow, and you are following the topic you like. You can hit the notification bell too, like sometimes, never ever, always. I'll go for always, and you'll get the notification whenever the group is ready to talk. The group is talking about anime topic. So that's all. If you like our video, please like and subscribe, plus hit the notification bell for further more videos guys. Thank you for watching.